Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast roll-ups with an easy guide. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 slices of bread, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Also, have your chosen filling ready, such as cream cheese, fruit, or chocolate spread. Preparing your workstation now will make the entire process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the bread and add the filling. Take each slice of bread and, using a rolling pin, flatten it until it's about half its original thickness. This makes it easier to roll. Next, spread approximately 1 tablespoon of your desired filling evenly across one side of the flattened bread. Finally, carefully roll up each slice tightly, starting from one end, creating a neat little log. With your roll-ups ready, it's time for the egg wash and cooking. In a shallow dish, whisk together your 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon until well combined. Dip each roll-up into this mixture, making sure it's completely coated. Then, melt about 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Cook the roll-ups for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Your French toast roll-ups are almost ready to enjoy. Once they are golden brown and cooked through, carefully remove them from the pan. For a classic finish, dust them generously with powdered sugar. Alternatively, you can drizzle them with warm maple syrup or your favorite fruit compote. Serve these delightful, bite-sized treats immediately while they are still warm. They are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a sweet snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.